Welcome to Fluid AI Agentic platform. In this demo, we'll walk you through a Telecom customer support's call demo. This is how our chatbot looks like. Simply click on this call icon and click on Start Call.
Hi, how are you doing?
Hi, good. So I'm traveling abroad. I wanted to switch to international roaming. Could you help me with that?
Checking on that now. Hello, I can assist you with that. You would need to be authenticated first. Please provide your TRN so we can proceed with the authentication process.
Sure, it's 123442299.
Let me take a quick look. An SMS has been sent to your registered phone number ending in 181. I'll look into that.
The TOTP is 623047.
One moment, I'll find out. Your roaming service has been successfully enabled for the account associated with TRN 1344299. You can now enjoy seamless connectivity while traveling abroad based on your preference. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.
Yes, could you tell me the last balance statement of my postpaid account?
Okay, let me look into that for you. As of December 24th, 2024, the outstanding balance for your postpaid account associated with TRN 1344299 is $349. If you need any more information or assistance, just let me know.
Also, just tell me the timings for the Lower Manhattan store.
Sure, let me check. The operating hours for the Lower Manhattan store, located at Water 93 Financial Plaza, Lower Manhattan, NY 1005, are as follows. Monday to Friday.
No, just tell me about Saturday.
Checking that now, hold tight. On Saturdays, the Lower Manhattan store operates from the 10 o'clock a.m. to 7 o'clock p.m. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, just let me know.
Yeah, also just remind me again about the last balance statement of my postpaid account.
One moment, I'm checking on that now. As of December 24th, 2024, the outstanding balance for your postpaid account associated with TRN 1342299 fire is $349. If you need any more information or assistance, feel free to ask.
No, thank you. This concludes our Telecom customer support call demo. Thank you for exploring Fluid AI Agentic platform.